Sharks, open your hamster doors. Get set, go.
Go in 2. Who's winning, Cole? Come on, Momo. Cole, come here, stick. Yes, come on, go. Good girl. We're gonna win. Cole, get your stick.
Come on.
Cole, get your stick. Team Momo, Team Momo. Come on, Momo, you can do it. We're gonna win. No. Back on track. Come on.
Come on, Atlanta. You're not even after the second tunnel.
Come on. You can do it, Momo. Over here.
No.
No.
Oh,
he's sorry. Momo, come back. The other way. No, Momo. No, get
No
back in the
hamster
course.
is coming out of. Look, it's emerging. It's emerging from the tube. Come on.
Yes, come on, Atlanta.
Come on, Atlanta.
No, get back.
Go, Atlanta,
Go,
go!
Atlanta.
Go, Momo, go!
Momo just got dumped back.
Go, Atlanta, come on.
Come on, Momo.
Is Atlanta gonna win?
No, Atlanta, no.
Is Momo gonna win?
Doors?
Come on.
No, come on.
Team Atlanta is sponsored.
Almost winning.
Yes, I got
And Momo won! Woo! Momo won!
Team Atlanta is sponsored by Kentucky Fried Chicken, McDonald's, and Burger King.
And now Momo seems to go back through the course.
Yay!
Atlanta has won second place. Woo!
That's because she's skinnier.
No, she's good, because I trained her since she was little.
LA Fitness
Even
24
though
And judges, what is the score, judges?
It's
What's the score?
different. Momo. What about this? Good job.
I knew we would win.
Good job, Momo.
Thank you, Cole. Thank you. We won.
We can get you Momo. Oh, okay.
What are the score, judges?
I do
Are you
a
gonna get it
rematch.
I'm from
Romania.
Romania. I don't speak English. That's why I have this translator. Okay. Team Momo is a 10. Yes. Team.
My name is Robert Dasgupta from India. Team Momo is got a 7 today.
No, she is a winner.
Okay. Team Atlanta got a 8.
I am from India again. This team Atlanta got a 3.
Yes, I won.
Thank you, judges.
I knew we would win. Thank you.
Bite your head off again.
No.
That was the 2008 Hamster Olympics. Thanks for watching.